it again. Then opening slot, finds one more.
Could not really go in. फिर भी मौका इनके पास दे
And took the power shot.
Goes in!
Goal. He hits that for the first time.
And सिर्फ टाइम पास कर रहे हैं इस टाइम पे. We know Saraj, he knows his play, but second Kunku मौका.
Perfect step over.
Oh,
Takes the shot. बना भी रहे हैं, build up भी कर रहे हैं. Good one. L1 heel to Heath Felix and shake the shot. Up finesse. एक ऐसा skill move चाहिए आपको जो settle up कर दे. मेरे हिसाब से that's the Elastico and there we have it. Finally Varsi using that reverse Elastico to set himself.
The fundamentals apart from Johnny Mehta, here's a chance for Karman Tikka. Shoots with Marlen and gets the first goal. I think it's always been the case, but Saranjot snatching the ball away has a chance with Kylian Mbappe. He's going to go all the way and he scores. And that's exactly what I said. It's a cheat code. But Saranjot straight from the kickoff. Gareth Bale has the chance. This is what we're talking about. This is what we're here for, Johnny. Goes for the corner, still has a chance.
Recovered.
He lost the ball over there. And Kylian Mbappe with the equalizer.
Looking flex a little bit off to De Bruyne, Shellen. We have Mellon off to Mbappe. The space is there and the back of the net as well.
And that is the chance for Kylian Mbappe. He gets the ball there. And Crusher with the icebreaker gets the goal on the 75th minute.
But now Theo on the wings, trying to get inside the box. Bobby Charlton trying to get some space. Patry inside the box. Take the shot, Graham.
Absolutely. Now Theo for a chance for Genesis Son. Kylian Mbappe plays it to Hansen, takes a shot. And what a goal that is. Beautiful dribbling inside the box.
4-0. Even the second leg looks pretty mad right now. Because thing is, he's able to attempt and Barella.
He's going to learn Son again with a finesse angle. Does a nice step over. Here's a chance. Kylian Mbappe to Hansen. To Son. Green times it. Easy does it.
Okay. Mbappe.
Oh, the L1 boost. The
Beautiful.
L1 boost is perfect. Don't chip it.
He chips it and it's in.
प्रेशर के पास के एक और गोल कर
Oh!
डाउन किया जाए नहीं there we have it. The easiest mechanic to ever exist. Save there, but now 1v1 with the goalkeeper. Chip
Oh my God, no way!
The counter hits again.
Absolutely locked in. Here's a chance for Kylian Mbappe. Can he make that pass? Son gets the ball and he takes a shoot.
It seems like only one goal will separate, and that's the first test through. You were talking about Mbappe now has the opportunity 1v1 against the keeper and finally scores. He's forward, the loser goes home, but for now, we're going to see who wins that ball. It's Charlton. He tries to go in for the shot, but it does not land. Had a chance a bit, maybe. Has to move back, passes it in. Mbappe goes in for the close.
A lot of time still, but it's just running out. And can he do the miracle? He does.
I don't really want to see the faces of everyone, but finesse on.
Here's a chance. Bobby Charlton near post. And that is the deadlock. Genesis breaks.
That is true. He knows how to make the comebacks. But now, you tend to slowly lose out on your confidence. But maybe not.
That's Mbappe, and that's Genesis for the opener.
3 uneven. 2 uneven, right?
There was that one Mbappe moment as well.
Oh yeah, the Mbappe movement as well. Yeah, the through on goal.
That's 3.
Crusher, he has a lot of chances, but now look at this
It's
clinical
another.
finish. It's all over in this leg. He knows Bale is there, just takes him down. And the attack that was there does not work out, but Gareth Bale!
And he wants to give a run in the tournament with that. Saranjot with a finish.
Oh, the finish!
This is exactly what I was talking about with Shellen. Can Solange make the most out of this? Takes a penalty, goes and
Oh my God!
But the rebound! But Bale wins it somehow. Kylian Mbappe, can he make the most of it? For Saranjot, Bukayo Saka with the finesse.
R9 मिल जाते हैं, but फिलहाल Son turns around on towards the left, tries to shoot in, दोबारा मिली rebound पे, लेकिन नहीं. Stolen away very fast. Charlton has an opportunity, tries to play it in to Mbappe, who goes in and scores the opener.
Says the pass, Rafael, quick step, but Adama Traore on the edge of the box. Power shot and Kunku
Sends it all the way back to Graham now. Wants it pass 1-1. Mbappe, एक opportunity, tries to create some space, and Son goes in to score. Hold it down, sends it forward. Son back to Mbappe. Opportunity 1-1 की. Son sends it in. और ये goal होना चाहिए और होगा भी. It all the way back. Valverde power shot cancel. He's taking his time, but Mbappe between two.
That's exactly what makes him the best player. So I think he's definitely the I would say Anders of India.
Kylian के पास देखने को नहीं मिली है. But now Jenna Sid inside the box. The near post finish. Then switching a turning finds Bale. The power is there and Bale for the win. Hansen loses the possession, but now CJ, can he build another attack? Gareth Bale, he has the ball. Back to Shellin. Setting herself up. Back to Llorente. Shellin scores. Boy, takes the block. Kevin De Bruyne, he has the opportunity to settle the score. Bukayo Saka.
And that is it. The final whistle goes, and Charanjot is your winner for the PlayStation India Cup EFC 25. Can we have a round of applause for our champion? Such an incredible performance from the man.